To add a customer to your new quote, double-click on Customer. Now this is a new customer, so make sure you have New Company selected. Enter a company code for them. Go ahead and enter their company name. And go ahead and enter the name of the first contact. And enter any of the other details that it is you like. Now when you click OK, Microestimating will ask, do you want to add this new company? Tell it yes, and it will create that contact. Now as we go to start a new estimate, we'll see our company down here. Or again, if we're up here at the top, we can select them from the drop down.